Hello everyone. In this video, I will be explaining you about the family Dicrociliidae, which comes under the subclass Digynia, and the class Trematodes. The family Dicrociliidae includes the genus Dicrocilium and Eurytrema. The species under the genus Dicrocilium is the Dicrocilium dendriticum, and under Eurytrema genus is Eurytrema pancreaticum. Before starting each species, we must know about the family characters. The characters of the Dicrociliidae family is that these are small trematodes and they usually occurs in the biliary and pancreatic ducts of the vertebrate. The miracidium of Dicrociliidae are seen in the faces. The eggs are embryonated. And the most important character is that there is no radial stage present during the development in the snail. Now comes the species Dicrocilium dendriticum. The species Dicrocilium dendriticum is also commonly known as lancet liver fluke due to its lens-like structure. It occurs in the bile duct and gallbladder of sheep, cattle, deer, and rabbits. Its suckers are well developed, that is the oral sucker and ventral sucker. Its testes are tandemly placed. Its ovaries are posterior to the testes. Its uterus is also posterior to the testes, and its eggs are dark brown in color, operculated, and embryonated. Let's see it in the diagram. This is the oral sucker. After it is the ventral sucker. In between is the esophagus. Then these are the testes which are tandemly placed. After this, posterior to the testes are the ovaries. And the uterus is also posteriorly placed to the testes. Now, the pathogenesis. This Dicrocilium dendriticum species occurs in the bile duct and it causes non-suppurative cholangitis, which leads to cholangiectasis, and in the last it causes liver cirrhosis. The life cycle of Dicrocilium dendriticum includes snail, that is land snail, as the first intermediate host, and as the second intermediate host. Let's see the life cycle. The eggs of Dicrocilium dendriticum are ingested by the land snail, and the hatching of the eggs occur in the land snail. After the hatching, they asexually produces Cercaria vitrina. And this is the most asked question, that what Cercaria is developed in the land snail in the species Dicrocilium dendriticum. So that is the Cercaria vitrina. About 2000 to 6000 Cercaria are present in the mantle of this land snail, and these are then released from the mantle in the form of slime balls. What are slime balls? This question is also asked as short answer type. This slime ball is 125 to 400 Cercaria surrounded by a gelatinous substance, and these are released from the land snail, and these are released when the temperature is low, and if there will be increased humidity in the surrounding, they will die. So these are generally released after the summer season. Then these slime balls are ingested by the ants, and these ants, if ingested by the sheep, cattle, pig, then the metacercary is developed in the small intestine and it will get encysted. Later on, the immature worm which are formed in the small intestine, they will migrate to the bile duct. And in the bile duct, they will then goes to the liver where they mature sexually and produce eggs. Then these eggs are released in the feces. And same the cycle goes on. Next comes the diagnosis. The diagnosis of dicrocilium can be done by the fecal sample as the eggs will be seen in the feces of the in the host. Now, the treatment include albendazole 15 mg per kg body weight and fenbendazole 25 mg per kg body weight. And the important thing to remember here is that this albendazole is not given to pregnant animal. So this is the Dicrocilium dendriticum species. Now we will study about the Eurytrema pancreaticum. This Eurytrema pancreaticum occurs in the pancreatic duct of ruminants and can be seen in duodenum and bile duct, but it is mainly seen in the pancreatic duct. The first intermediate host of Eurytrema pancreaticum species is the land snail, and the second intermediate host is grasshopper, also known as tree cricket. And the mode of infection of Eurytrema pancreaticum is through the ingestion of this grasshopper, which is infected with metacercary of this Eurytrema pancreaticum. The treatment of Eurytrema pancreaticum include albendazole and praziquantel. So this is all in today's video. Please do like, share and comment. And if you are new, then please subscribe it today and stay connected. Thank you.